So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If this is our first time meeting, first off, it's an absolute blessing to have you here. My name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can quit your minimum wage job. Are you tired of making minimum wage? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly 3 businesses that you can start, 3 ways for you to make more money than you are at your minimum wage job, and more importantly, how you can start creating freedom in your life and making a lot more money in your life. Now, before we jump into this video, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, I would be a little upset. Go ahead and smash the thumbs up button too. It goes a long way. And more importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel for a lot more content. So guys, first off, I want to jump into the reason why I wanted to make this video. Now, personally for me, I was actually driving to my parents' house 2 days ago and I saw a friend that I went to school with. Now, he was a smart, intelligent kid, but the problem is he was walking to McDonald's. First off, I actually respected his grind, his willingness to walk to work, to make money, to start building something for himself. But I knew deep down that this kid right here had way more potential, that you have more potential in your life, and you have the opportunity to make more money into your life. And this inspired me to share with you guys that I wish you knew that there are so many new abundant ways, and there are 3 simple ways that you can make a lot more money than you are at a minimum wage job. If you want to start getting back your freedom, start making more money, well, this is the perfect video for you guys. I'm gonna start breaking down exactly and practically give you guys real life examples on how you can start making $100, $200, $300 a day with these businesses, and more importantly, escape that minimum wage job and start earning more money because you deserve it. So jumping into this video, guys, I want to break down the philosophy of how much money do you actually make at a minimum wage job. So if you can understand the math, how much money do I need to make on my own to escape this minimum wage job, to start this business, then you can start unlocking your freedom in life. So basically, let's say you're working 40 hours a week and a minimum wage job on average is around $15 per hour. Well, this means you're going to be making around $600 every week. 40 hours of your life grinding, working for someone else, making someone else wealthy, making someone else's business thrive, and you're not even considering your value. But even worse, after these 40 hours, after taxes, after you pay your dues to the government, we're gonna be left with an average of $472 left to your name after a hard 40-hour work week. Now, $472. How can you position yourself, spend your time to make over $472? Well, this is exactly what I want to share in today's video and basically break down a simple way for you to make $100 a day. If you could make $100 every day, well, guess what? You can have more money, have more freedom, and unlock your potential in life. And honestly, guys, there are so many ways with the internet that I wish more people understood. I'm going to break down exactly what you need to do to start making $100, $200 on the internet and unlocking your true freedom as well as passions in life. So I want to keep this video short and sweet and jump directly into the first way you can start making $100 every day. And honestly, $200 is very simple with this first model that I want to share with you guys. A model that I implemented into my life as a teenager that can start launching your first business, start providing you a service business, and more importantly, unlocking your first opportunity in life. And this is by providing a service in your neighborhood. Now, for me or you have some type of talent, and manual labor might be the best thing that you can offer right now in your life. You might not have much knowledge, but guess what? You have time, you're able to help other people, which means you can start making more money in your life. And the truth is, you can make $100 in an hour, $100 in 2 hours, rather than working 8 to 9 hours a day, working 40 hours in a week. Unlock this little mindset trick in your mind, and guess what? You can start earning more in your life. So how can you do this, Peter? How can I start making $100, $200 a day providing a service? Well, the first thing you want to do is provide some type of service in your neighborhood community. Provide a power washing service, a lawn care service, a cleaning service. Go out there and wash decks. Do whatever you can. Provide some type of handyman service. If you have a skill that you can go out there and sell, well, here's exactly what you need to sell it. Have the goal to make $100 a day, which means all you need to do is really find one customer. I can guarantee you guys, basically with this strategy, you're gonna start growing your business. And guess what? You're gonna launch more opportunities. Once you start providing this service, you're gonna tell a friend, you're gonna start growing your business, and you're gonna be on your way to making way over minimum wage. So the first way provide this type of service or to market your service is on the Nextdoor app. The Nextdoor app is an incredible platform for you to start launching your business. As you can see right here, people in your community are looking for services in their neighborhood. They need someone who's going to come to their house, provide some type of service. So go onto the Nextdoor app. The first thing you're either going to do is promote your services. Hey, my name is Peter. I'm working in the neighborhood providing a power washing service or providing a lawn mowing service. If anybody in the neighborhood needs my service, I'd love to come out to give you a quote and to get started. If you don't have the equipment to get started, the first thing you want to do is go to Facebook Marketplace to get the equipment, or secondly, borrow your equipment from a friend, a family member, to say, hey, I'll borrow it for the day. Let me give you $20. And guess what? You have the equipment to start this service business. You have no excuses to get out there. And more importantly, guys, this is how I grew my lawn care business. And this is exactly how you're going to start growing your service-based business on the Nextdoor app. Now, the second way to start marketing your service, to start absolutely crushing it, making more money than minimum wage, and directly advertising on the Facebook platform. Facebook is such a powerful tool. Advertise, tell your friends, family members that, hey, I'm trying to start a business. I'm trying to provide some type of service in the community. If you guys know anybody that needs this type of service, whichever service you pick, have them reach out to me. I can go out there and start helping them with this particular need. If you can solve someone's problem, if you can be there for someone, provide them with a service, well, guess what, guys? You will never have to worry about money. You will never have to worry about going back to the minimum wage job, because a service-based business, guys, is going to help you launch your first career, your first business, and more importantly, escape you from that minimum wage job. Quit that minimum wage job, whether if you're a teenager, well, if you're in your middle of your 20s, 30s, 40s, if you can provide some type of handyman service, a physical service, you will never have to worry about money, and guarantee you guys you're going to start making way more money, and you're going to be making way more than $100 every day. Now, the second best way that you can begin making way more money than a minimum wage job is through becoming a reseller, guys. Now, there's two particular strategies that I want to share with you that can allow you to easily make over $100 to $200 every day. Now, for me, the first strategy, which I'm going to touch on, is a Facebook Marketplace strategy, and the second strategy was a college strategy, a reselling strategy, an eBay business that I launched in my college dorm that allowed me to make an extra $1,000 to $2,000 every month for my college dorm, in a business that anyone can start. So the first business I want to jump into with the reselling strategy, guys, first off, reselling is a huge opportunity for you and me. You can no longer have to work at Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, working for someone else if you understand how to become a reseller. Now, what you want to understand is that everything has value. Now, the platform where you want to go to start finding things that have value for free, well, guess what? You can turn $0 into $200 with this strategy is by going to the Facebook Marketplace free section, going on Craigslist, finding free items in your neighborhood. Well, guess what? People near you are selling free things for free. Well, does that even make sense? Well, people are getting rid of things that have value. A couch, a furniture, a piece of equipment. All these things have value, but people don't understand, or people are too lazy to go out there and sell them on their own. So they're going to get rid of them for free, which means it's opportunity for you and it's opportunity for me. So make a goal to find one thing every day on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace, guys, please listen. Facebook Marketplace is an absolute savage marketplace for you to make money. Things sell like crazy on Facebook Marketplace. You can literally sell your hair. You can literally sell a chair. You can literally sell a TV. Everything will sell so fast on Facebook Marketplace. Please, please, please go market. Find things on the Facebook Marketplace near you in your location, 5 to 10 miles. Take a bike, have your friend pick it up. Go out there and drive your car. Yes, you're going to spend gas, but guess what? If you can find one item, a piece of furniture that's going to sell for over $100, if you can go pick it up, take it home, list it, well, you are on your way to make over $100 to $200 every day. Find these items and you're going to start crushing it and making a lot more money than minimum wage. Now, the second way to start crushing it as a reseller is to do what I did as a college student. An easy way to make $100, $200 every day, and something that I love to do is going to thrift stores. Now, similar to the reselling method on Facebook Marketplace, you're going to go to thrift stores that have items. Well, the thing is, you're gonna have to spend money, spend a little bit of money, but I sold men's and women's clothes. Well, you can go to any thrift store, guys, Goodwill, Salvation Armies, Value Villages near you. Look up these local thrift stores near you on your Google Maps and find how you can get there. Get to these stores and guess what? You can go directly on the seller app. Once you find items, for me, I sold men's and women's clothes, Lululemon, Patagonia, Vineyard Vines, LL Bean, all these popular brands were in the thrift store for a discount. This whole model of reselling is buying things at a low and then flipping them for a profit. So literally go to the eBay app right now, find something that you have in the thrift store, find something at your house, find something that you no longer wear that has value, a popular name or a vintage brand, look them up on the eBay app, see completed and sold items, see how much it's selling for, see if it's sold recently. If the item sold within the next 5 to 3 days, well, guess what? You can pick it up at a low cost, take it home, take pictures, leave a great description, and then flip it for a profit. Every day, guys, if you go to thrift stores, finding new items, finding your friend items, buying things at local garage sales, this is the best way for you to make way more money than a local minimum wage job. So become that reseller, and guys, this is one of the best ways to make $100, $200 every day. Whether if you're flipping furniture or going to thrift stores, buying things at a discount, this is a huge opportunity for you guys. Please, please, please take action, and you're gonna see great results happening in your life. And guys, the third business or third way for you to start making money, way more money than a minimum wage job will ever pay you, is becoming an individual contractor. Start running your own businesses, understanding that you can have flexibility to start making money on your own times. With the internet, with some type of service, you can absolutely start crushing it and ditch that 9 to 5 or that BS minimum wage job. So the first way that I want to recommend, and a great way that you can start making money, was a business guy that I met in the elevator yesterday. He was making money becoming an Amazon Flex driver. He said he makes anywhere between $15 to $18 per hour as an individual contractor. Basically, he delivers packages for Amazons, and also he collects tips. So basically, if you have a vehicle, if you have a driver's license, if you can complete a background check, well, guess what? You can start making $15 to $18 an hour by delivering packages, as well as collect tips with this service as well. So a great way to use your vehicle, allow you to create your own schedule, create your own flexibility. And he mentioned to me that he allows that he can work as many hours as he wants. He can have the flexibility to go home. He can do whatever he wants. He just has to deliver a certain amount of packages. And guess what? You can start getting paid becoming an Amazon Flex driver. A cool little way for you to start making money, drive around, and guess what? Amazon is not going out of business, so you know the job security is always going to be there. Now, the second way, guys, is another great way. If you have your driver's license, a great way for you to start hustling on the weekends just to test it out is directly on DoorDash. Now, DoorDash, we've probably heard of it. You probably ordered it from it. Yes, this is a great way for you just to make more money than minimum wage. I had to throw this in there because DoorDashers are making anywhere from $13 to $16 on average per hour. A great way for you to use your car to pick up orders, and guess what? If you can find a way to make tips. Now, the problem why people don't make a lot of money in minimum wage jobs because they're not making more money than their salary or hourly wage. If you can find a job where you can provide a service, make commission, or get tips, well, guess what? This is going to inflate your hourly rate, which is going to make you more money. And guess what? You're going to be getting paid for the value for more time on your services, and you're going to start making a lot more money just sitting there patiently going through a simple minimum wage job, guys. So find a way to make tips, collect tips, find some type of service to sell, and you're going to start making a lot more money. On top of this, you can go ahead and do the Uber thing. You can do the Lyft thing as well. It's another great independent contractor job for you. If you're old enough, go tackle it, guys. People are making $50,000, $60,000 a year Ubering full time. You can do this as well, but another option for you to use your vehicle, to use your time to make more money that you deserve, and for you to ditch that 9 to 5. Instead of making $24,000 a year, which is about an average of a minimum wage employee, $24,000 to $30,000 per year, make $50,000 to $60,000 driving with Uber or Lyft. Spend more time of your time driving. Go out there and find ways to make money. And also, you can build great relationships as an Uber driver as well. And lastly, guys, a part of the independent contractor work that I think is so valuable for you to make an endless amount of money, for you to really start your first business, is becoming a freelancer on 2 websites. Now, for me, I use Upwork.com, but you can also use Fiverr and become a freelancer. Basically, what you're going to do is learn high income skills. Basically, you can start getting paid on your own terms, set your own hours, work at home, provide some type of service online, and start getting paid. This market, this gig economy continues to expand, and guess what? You can work at home and make way more money than you are going to be making at a minimum wage job. A few skills that I really love and I'm currently getting monetized on Upwork is, number one is through TikTok creation. You can actually create content for brands, reach out to companies, tell them that you can create content for them, and you're going to start making paid. Set your minimum wage between 15 to 20 hours. Fiverr or Upwork is going to take a small percentage, but it's a great way for you to start making money. Also, secondly, on this platform, you can get paid to copyright, to write messages, to type text, to type messages. This is insane. You can make money to literally sit at home on your computer to type and write. And lastly, guys, another little high nuance or a little great skill to learn on Fiverr, Upwork is becoming a proofreader. Yes, you can get paid to proofread editorials, proofread journals, and a great way that I think anyone can start making money. For you to go out there and start making money as an editor, to proofread, you can download all these helpful apps that are going to help you start this business as well as get more customers. So what you want to do is go to one of the platforms that I mentioned, Fiverr or Upwork, create your profile, explain how you have certifications, express some of your previous work, go out there and learn as much as you can, and more importantly, guys, start your journey doing this side hustle Fiverr, Upwork gig. So guys, I hope you understood the power of starting to work on your own. I believe that everyone that tunes into this channel, everyone out there who is working, is worth a lot more money. Right now, you might be sacrificing your time. You might not have the freedom because you're working a minimum wage job and you want so much more out of life. Well, you found the perfect channel. You also found the perfect content. So here are just 3 ways that I'd love to share with you guys, 3 brainstorm ideas that I currently implement in my life that's created real results, real traction, and more importantly, is gonna allow you to start making a lot lot more money than minimum wage. Go out there, ditch the 40-hour work week, start building something for yourself, and more importantly, start getting paid for who you are, your knowledge, your skills, and more importantly, start providing some type of service. Go out there, help more people, and more importantly, get the value you deserve. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this really brought you as much value as possible. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel yet, I would be a little upset. But guys, we're going to continue to implement entrepreneurial content. Share with you guys how to grow personally, financially, and share with you guys more ways to make money online. This is my passion, and I want to connect with you as much as possible. So be sure to leave a comment below, leave a like, leave a thumbs up, leave a down like, whatever you call it, a dislike if you don't like this video. I want to hear you guys' feedback, and more importantly, stay tuned for the next video. I love you guys so much. Again, thanks so much. Have a great day, and I hope this helps you make more money. Go out there, keep crushing it. Take care, and peace out.